Hello everyone, how are you? Hope so you all are very fine. See, in last lecture only we have completed some of the grammar parts as well as story time. With the help of that I told you at the same time that you will have some of the activity based first unit test. That also I have given you syllabus and how the questions will come. That also I told you to learn. So I will start. I would like to start next lesson about language study. That is 1.5. This lesson is not related with your activity at all. Means this lesson will be related with your first term examination. Okay, all of you. This lesson I would like to repeat this sentence again, that this sentence will not be there for your activity, means first unit test. It will be related with your first term examination. Okay, so let us start with the new syllabus, that is first term, that is based on first term examination. Lesson name is 1.5 language study. Naming words. See my dear students, this lesson is related with the grammar. Already earlier only in some of the lectures I have explained you about the nouns. Noun means what? Naming words. So here today we are going to see some of the things with the help of questions. See here, listen carefully and answer the following questions. Now we are not in the class, so when this question I will ask, you maybe give answer, but that I will not come to know. No problem. What will do? I will ask you questions and you give the answer at your home itself to your father, mother. And when I am explaining, you have to listen very carefully, and this repetition you have to do at your home for your practice. Okay. So now see the first question. It's a very common question. What is your name? You may refer your name, you will tell your name, but here for example I have taken one name, that Yash. So the Yash is a proper noun given for a proper person. Okay, then see next question. Are you a boy or girl? So according to this my answer, Yash is the name of a boy. And so here the boy is a common noun. It's correct. The boy is a common noun, girl is a common noun, but when I am using this Yash, when I am asking to the boy Yash, named Yash, at that time he will give answer that I am a boy. And so this boy is referring with the proper noun. So here you maybe see that boy is a common noun. Yes, it is correct. Boy is a common noun, but at the same time we have to refer the previous question. What is the previous question? What is your name? And we have to look upon the answer as well. Means my name is Yash. So when the boy is giving answer, my name is Yash, surely that is a boy. He is a boy, and that is why, are you a boy or a girl? At that, for this answer, what will come? He is a boy, and so common noun is also correct. At the same time, proper noun for a boy is also correct, because this proper noun refers to one particular boy, that is Yash. Okay, understood? So now see, come to next one lesson. Next one question, that is, who all are there in your family? Okay. Who is there in your family? So your answer will be my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother, maybe grandmother, grandfather. Now what you will say, that this will be common noun also? No, this is not a common noun, this is proper noun, because mom is one only. That is my mom, because we have asked about ourselves. Your family, your means individual one's family, and that is why mom, dad, sister, brother is the proper noun. Okay, because the information is given only for myself, not for others. Okay, Otherwise, mother, father is a common noun. But here, when we are studying about our individual life, at that time, mom means my mom, dad means my dad. So it is related with our individual life and it is a proper noun. Okay, understanding? Come to next one. Which places do you like to visit? Correct. Which places do you like to visit? Means here one of the beach name will come or one of the fort name will come. For example, I have written here Shivneri Fort. Which place? This is a proper place. Name of a place. Which place do you like to study? Where do you like to study? So maybe in which school do you like to study? So your answer will be absolutely correct. Hira English Medium School. Correct. Means these names are proper nouns indicating one proper thing. So this Shivneri Fort is a proper name. This fort is not means another fort is not given the Shivneri Fort's name. This is only one. Hira English Medium School is only the one school. Correct. For given the name as Hira. Many schools are there, but Hira's name is the special name, means it's a proper name, proper noun. Okay. Come to next one. Which is your favorite animal? Okay. Many animals are there. Favorite means what? Which you like the most. Okay. So what will be the answer? Maybe your answer will be cat, dog, or anything related to animals category. So here cat is a proper noun. Only you are saying the cat means a cat means what? It's a proper noun given to a proper animal itself. Come to next one. What do you like to eat? You like to eat many things. But what do you like? Okay. Especially one thing's name you have to tell. One atom's name, food atom's name you have to tell. So nowadays you like to eat mostly many things, which is the Chinese food. And so I have written here pizza. Okay. So pizza is a proper noun which is related with only one thing. And so this is a proper noun. Now see next one. What is your favorite toy? Okay, which thing you like to play with the most? So yes, you will write ball, bat, then carom, chess. Here I have written teddy. It's a proper noun. Okay, because you like to play with this proper one thing, proper noun. Now see, do you write with a pen or a pencil? Okay, with what you would like to write? So you are writing with the pencil. So pencil is a proper noun. Okay, understanding here. Now see my dear students, here in the oval shape you will able to see one of the information. This information is very good for you. You have to keep this information in the mind. Okay, see here, all the answers are naming words. These all answers, whichever answers I have written for example for you, for your understanding, these all answers are the naming words. And naming words are simply names of anything. Whatever names you are giving, whatever pronunciations you are taking for what you are calling, that they all are our naming words. Okay. Here half lesson means some of the part of the lesson we have completed. So immediately I will tell you homework of this lesson and then we'll move forward. So what you will do my dear students, at first you will give all the answers of the questions and then you want to write these questions in your notebook. Then answer also you have to write very properly. For example, what is your name? So what will be the answer? My name is, and then your name you have to write. In front of that proper noun, likewise you have to write whichever I have written here. After completing these all questions with their answers, you have to write this sentence as well in a very good handwriting. Then here for the naming word, here it is given in the broad letter if you are watching. So these broad letters means these naming words you have to underline. You have to give 2 underlines very properly. Okay, so you understood this page. Let us come to next page. Now it is the play time. In the last session we have seen story time. So it's a playing time at your home only. Some family members are there in your home. So you have to make these 4 groups. 4 family members, your mom, dad, you and your sister or brother. You all can sit together and you have to take one group for yourself. Okay, so see, I will read the information what you want to do. Listen carefully. Let's form 4 groups. Okay, 4 groups you want to form. Now how many members will be there in your group, that you want to decide. Why? Because now lockdown system period is there and you all are at your home. So limited people will be there, but in limited people also you can do this interesting game. You can perform this interesting game. When you will come in the school, we'll try to do again in the school. Okay. But now let's form 4 groups. Now pick up any one of the cards. Write down as many names as you can related to your card. Okay, so what you will do? You want to make the cards of name, place, animal and thing. Different cards you have made. For example, you have made. तुमने बना दिए. Now, you may discuss with your group members about this. Okay. That which name card I want to take. For example, you have taken, means my student has taken the card of name. Then what my student will do? As many as names. For example, Amit, Snehal, Shruti, Arjun, whatever names of your friends, of your sister, of your brother, you can write under this card. Okay, after writing these names, when you will finish this activity of writing this group name only of names, after that one you have to say bingo. Okay, when you finish call bingo. Okay, then the group with the maximum number of examples will win. Means, for example, now here only 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks are given. Means 3 blanks were given. I have completed these 3 blanks. But if you will fill more 2 or 3 blanks in your names group, then you will be the winner. Likewise game, you have to play with your friend or with your father, mother or sister or brother. Okay. After completing this all charts, all cards names, you have to make likewise one of the table. See here, table has been made. First one is given for name, second one for place, then animal and then thing. Likewise, these 4 tables means 4 chart wise you have to make. After that one by one, you have to collect the names. After collecting, you have to put that names in the proper place. If you are reminding, already this activity we have done earlier only. Where we have done when the noun part came of grammar section, at that time only we have completed this activity. Is it correct? Once again, in a very proper manner, after drawing lines and after making charts, you have to write these proper names in that particular form. For example, name. So all names will only come of boys and girls. For example, Amit, Snehal, Shruti, Arjun. Then in the place form, what will come? Pune, Mumbai, Nagar, Aurangabad and many other you can write whichever you want. Then animal, cat, dog, deer, bear. These different animals names, only animals. Now if you want to make one more chart, if you are telling that teacher, I want to make one more chart of birds, yes, all right, you can do, you can make, no problem, but these 4 charts compulsorily you have to make. And last one, it is thing. So in thing, what will come? Ball, bat, pen, eraser. So likewise in this form, same you have to make. So earlier on page number 9, whichever homework was there, that also I told you. And now this also homework I told you, that as it is, these names you have to write in very good handwriting in your notebook. If you want to make one more chart, one more card, always welcome, you can do that thing, and you can make one more chart also, one more card also. Okay, so likewise here half lesson today's in this section we have completed. Coming session will complete more half part of the lesson. Till that, you all are requested to read the lesson very carefully, to understand the lesson very carefully. At the same time, in this week only, you have to complete this given homework in very good handwriting. Don't be hurry for writing. In all the sessions I am telling to you, my dear students, don't be hurry for writing the completing the exercise, because what will happen in hurry, you will write, complete the work, you will send on group for checking, but at the same time mistakes will take place, so it will be not good. Again remarks will come bad from my side, so avoid these bad remarks and write the given things exercise in a very good handwriting, so that you will be appreciated from my side. Okay, so you have to improve your handwriting. Use sharp pencils for writing, so that your handwriting will come the best. Okay, so you all are requested to read the lesson according to given instruction, as well as according to given instruction you have to complete your exercise in very good handwriting. Okay, so take care of you. Bye.